Welcome to the new video tutorial. Here are the simple steps to insert a video into your Google Slides presentation. Let's start. First, go to your Google Drive. Click the New button and then select Upload File. Select your desired file from your computer and click Open. It will be uploaded shortly. Upload complete. Go back to your Google Slides. Click Insert and then select Video. To insert a video from YouTube, go to YouTube. Copy the link of the video you want to insert. Return to Google Slides and paste the copied link into the search box. Select the video and click Insert. In a moment, the video will be displayed on the slide. To insert a video from Google Drive, go to Insert and click on Video. Click Back button. Choose Google Drive and then find where you uploaded the video in your Google Drive, and select it. Click the Insert button to place it on your slide. Adjust them according to your preferences. And configure any other settings as you prefer. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.